stepped on friend.
Just stepped her.
You just what?
Stepped
He
her.
stepped her.
(6L20). Let me get an additional into my location for 415 man. Who stabbed you? Where?
Right here. He stabbed her with the knife.
This guy? This guy? Come here. Come here. Get your hands up. Come over here. 6L20. Let me get back up at my location for 415 man with a knife. He's over on Highland, just north of Hollywood Boulevard. 6L20. Let me get FD to my location as well. I've got a female approximately 30 years old. She suffered from a stab wound on her abdomen. She's conscious and breathing. Hey, get out of there! You, get out of there! Hey, get out of there! You, get out! Boss, listen to me. I need your cooperation. I need your cooperation. He's got a knife. He's got a knife. Stand by. Did he just throw it? Did he just throw it?
Hey, dude, do me a favor. Drop that. Drop the can in your hand. Drop it, bro. We're gonna get you some help.
Okay.
We can't help you.
Get me less lethal. You got? Who's got the beanbag? Who's got the 40?
Hey, just drop it, bro.
Go for 20. Requesting an RA for a female, approximately 30 years old. She suffered from a stab wound on the stomach. She's conscious and breathing.
Hey, sir, you want to do that?
Boss, give him the warning. Give him the warning.
Hey, give me.
Stand by. Shots fired. Who's there? Who shot? Get out of there! Who fired? Get on the ground! You dropped the knife. You dropped the knife.
You good on approach, sir?
Okay. I need lethal and less lethal. Come over here. Give me cover.
I got one beanbag around left. I need someone else for arresting. By your foot. All right.
He's knifed by the foot. Cover to the right. Cover to the right. Cover to the right. Hold up. Hold up.
Roll over onto your stomach, bud.
Roll to your stomach, boss. Roll to your stomach. Turn the other way. Turn the other way.
One person at a time. One person at a time.
Where's he hit?
He's gonna be hit. Looks like chest, maybe. Yeah, right here.
Does he?
Right here, dude.
Is it GSW or is it beanbag?
That's beanbag.
Is there GSW?
I don't know, sir. Yeah, he's gonna be shot in the arm. Right arm.
Glove up.
Hey, you got gloves?
6L20, 0.4, in custody. Let me get another RA to my location. Come on, drop the knife. Hey, drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Shots fired?
Shots fired, yeah. Shots fired.
All units on for needs help. 6L20, 6L20, come in.
Hey, partner. Hey, dude, do me a favor? Drop that. Drop the gun in your head. Bro, we're gonna get you some help. We can't help you until you drop that. My partner.
6L20, 6L20, come in.
Hey, just drop it, bro. Come on, bro. Drop it. 20.
How funny is our teacher already request?
The left hand eye for a female, approximately 30 years old. She's suffering from a stab wound on the stomach.
63, alright, Hollywood Highland.
Come on, drop the line. Hey, drop the line. Drop the line. Shot fired. Shot fired? I shot fired. Shot fired? Shot fired.
My unit's officer is South Hollywood and Highland. My unit's officer is South Hollywood and Highland, shot fired.
Hey, put the guys down. Overhead, should be the air. They are going to be on the north corner of Hollywood Highland. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. All right. You gonna hold this? Let's go. Drop the knife. And all units respond. Work down on Hollywood. Knife is by his foot. Knife is by his foot. Knife by the foot. Coming to the right. Coming to the right. Coming to the right. I need you to hold officers up to the contact. Sounds like this down.